So in this video I am going to tell you everything about OPPO Find X in 2 minutes. So let's begin. Hey, what's up guys, my name is Zahir. Before starting this video guys, I bought this new light which is a softbox as well as this new 50mm lens. So let me know how's the quality of those things. And by the way, I have already done the unboxing of these things. If you want to see the unboxing in Hindi on my Hindi channel, which is Tech Buffet Hindi, so I have given the link in the I button as well as in the description box below. You can surely check them out. So yeah, with that said, let's begin. So first of all, let me tell you the specification of this smartphone. It will going to be powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 processor with Adreno 630 GPU. That means the performance will going to be amazing. And after that guys, it will definitely have 8GB RAM and 128 and 256GB internal storage variant. And moving to the display, it will have 6.4 inches of 1080p Super AMOLED display, which looks superb in my opinion. And as you see in the pictures, it looks like a only display on the smartphone, nothing else. So it's a pretty awesome thing in my opinion. And guys, the display is protected by the Gorilla Glass 5, which is cool. Now guys, after that, talking about the camera, which is the main USP of this smartphone. As you know, it has only display, so they have done some amazing thing to get the camera. And this phone does not have fingerprint scanner, so they have implemented a IR technology to scan the face. Basically, Face ID is rip off, and they have implemented mechanical technology which pops up if you want to unlock your smartphone. A full mechanism will pop up from the smartphone, and it contains two rear facing camera which are 16 megapixel f2.0 and 20 megapixel f2.0, and on the front it has 25 megapixel front facing camera as well as earpiece and 3D face scanning technology system. That means IR blaster and everything else. So it's a really nice thing. The huge mechanism will pop up, and as you know, it's a mechanical part. So I don't know guys about the robustness of this thing. So let's see how good it will gonna last, as OPPO promised that it will going to last really long time, because every time when you unlock your smartphone, it will gonna pop. So it's a really nice thing, and it's a really innovative thing. Thanks to the OPPO is doing some really innovative thing from the past too in Find series. And even in terms of look, as you see on the back, it has some type of glass design and it looks superb in my opinion. The phone costs 60,000 rupees and it will be available from Flipkart. So guys, these are all the things about OPPO Find X. And guys, let me know about the quality of this video. So yeah, that's all in this video guys. Hit that like button right now. And guys, if you want to purchase this OPPO Find X, I will leave a link in the description box below from where you can purchase it. And guys, if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, hit that subscribe button right now. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video guys. Bye bye.